G'day, I'm Bart, and in this video we're going to do a deep dive into the GottaGo Chemical Cassette, which works with your GottaGo toilet. The Chemical Cassette is a completely sealed unit and it does not have a removable lid like the Eco Cassette. The Chemical Cassette works similar to your traditional chemical toilets. The main difference is that we don't have a traditional flush system, and we did that to conserve space and water inside your cassette. When you're ready to use the toilet, simply open up this latch and install your cassette. Make sure that your blue pull tab is on the same side as the liquid level indicator, because the liquid level indicator works with the chemical cassette. As your cassette fills up, the indicator will also begin to rise. Now, close your toilet. When you're ready to go to the toilet, open up the lid and open up this latch. And we have an opening now for our waste. And when you're done, just close this latch. Now, when you're ready to dispose of your waste, just open up this latch and remove your cassette. Remove this solid cap and open up this air vent. This will make sure that you have smooth flow of waste disposal. Now, when you are disposing of your waste, make sure that you're following your local regulations and best practices. And if you're unsure, call your local park ranger or speak to your local council. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you now have a solid idea of how to use your GottaGo toilet. To keep up to date with our accessories or other products, go to our website.